Hello guys, welcome to Enest. I am Shaptadip Miyatur, your food technology mentor here. In this YouTube series, we are going to discuss various previous year GATE XCXL questions, which are focusing on food technology stream. So, in this series, our first question is, which one of the following fungi produces aflatoxin? Okay, please remember when it is in terms of aflatoxin is a major toxin, harmful toxin, which is produced by fungi. Okay. Please remember two major organisms, that is Aspergillus species or Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. Okay. So here the options are Aspergillus niger, no. Fusarium verticilloides, no. Aspergillus flavus, yes. And Rhizopus oligosporus, no. Okay. Apart from the Aspergillus flavus, all of the options are majorly responsible for production of some metabolites or some products. Okay. So here the correct option for this question is option C, that is Aspergillus flavus produce aflatoxin. If in this problem, in terms of Aspergillus flavus, if Aspergillus parasiticus has been given, then that is can be the answer. Okay. So next question is, under standard conditions, if animal feeding studies the weight gained in grams per gram of protein consumed by an animal. Suppose we are having an animal P. The consumed protein is P consumed protein is X gram. And in terms of X gram, the total consumption protein is X gram. Okay. But the weight gained is Y gram. Okay. So Y by X, how much weight gained upon how much protein consumed, is basically, it is a ratio. So it is protein efficiency ratio. It means how efficiently it is being absorbed in your body and you will gain weight. It is not net protein ratio, no. Net protein utilization, no. Coefficient of protein digestibility, no. Protein efficiency ratio or PER. Okay. So like previously in GATE, they asked one question, ki one person consume 2 gram of protein and there is a net weight gain of 1.6 gram. So what is the PER? PER is 1.6 by 2. Okay. So 0.8. This type of question can ask. So for this question, the correct option here is option D, protein efficiency ratio. Okay. Next, question number 3, xerophthalmia. Okay. So what's the catch? Xerophthalmia is caused due to deficiency of which vitamin? Okay. See, xerophthalmia. If you break this term, it is ophthalmia. Ophthalmia means related to eye. And which vitamin deficiency is related to eye disease? It is vitamin A or retinal. Okay, so no thiamine, no pantothenic acid, no vitamin C. So xerophthalmia is eye disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A, that is retinal. Okay. So for this question, the correct option is option C. So next, which one of the following steps is used to remove the phosphatidides? Phosphatides means it basically comes under gums. Okay, from crude oil. So these all steps are important for refining of oil process. Okay. So option A is neutralization reaction. No. Option B is bleaching. Bleaching means the removal of color. Okay. With the help of kaolin clay, diatomaceous earth, charcoal. Please remember this bleaching agent and fuller's earth. Okay. Degumming. Yes. We need to remove the gums. That is phosphatides. Okay. And deodorization is removal of odor or bad smell. Okay. So to remove the phosphatide from crude oil in the refining process, the following step is degumming. Okay. So here the correct option is option C. Neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization, no. These steps are not responsible for the removal of phosphatide from crude oil. Okay. Next question. The unique flavor of chocolate and cocoa is due to the formation of. Okay. Please remember, if this type of question came related to chocolate or cocoa and flavor compound has been asked, okay, then please remember it is something that is related to aldehyde compound. Okay, it means the compound last is L or NAL. Okay, aldehyde compound is there. Okay, this is the trick. So the options are 5-methyl 2-phenyl 2-hexanal. Yes. Option B, cyclotine. Option C, furanol. And option D, maltol. No, no, no. The correct option here is 5-methyl 2-phenyl 2-hexanal. So this is basically a aromatic aldehyde compound which is responsible for the unique flavor of chocolate and cocoa. Okay. So for this question, the correct option is option A. So the unique flavor of chocolate and cocoa is due to the formation of 5-methyl 2-phenyl 2-hexanal, mainly responsible aldehyde compounds. Please remember. Okay. Aldehyde compounds ends with L or NAL. So I hope all the questions are pretty clear to you guys. If you found this video really helpful and informative, do like, share, subscribe our channel Enest. Bye bye.